So in this recording I will make a short demonstration of how to restructure or refactor the dice game into a model view architecture. So basically we have our design of the application like this. 4 classes in total, and we have the player class that uses the dice game. The dice game contains the dice, rolls them, computes if you won or not, and returns this value to the player. The app is used to start the application, so it creates a dice game and creates a player and lets the player have fun with the dice game. Basically that is what you see from the code. So to start restructuring this application into a model view application, we simply create 2 packages. A model package and a view package. The tricky part now is, of course, to decide what goes where. And thinking a little bit about this, we can probably understand that, well, the die and the dice game, they are part of the core application. They contain the rules for this game, so they are definitely part of the model. If we look at the player class, it contains some system out print lines to print the status of the game and if you won or lost and things like that. So it has definite responsibility over the user interface. So we put that in the view class, in the view package. And then we take a look at the app. Well, since it depends on both stuff that's in the model and stuff that's in the view, we really cannot put it in the model at all, because then this dependency would go from something in the model to something in the view, and that is not at all what we want in model view separation. We want all arrows pointing from view stuff into the model. So the only option we have is to put this also in the view. So this is the final architecture, and this is what we're now implementing. Now let's restructure the code also so that it conforms to our actual design. And to use packages in Java, you simply create folders. So we create the model folder and then we move our model classes into this folder. So dice game and die. So VS Code can do some automatic refactorings here, so let's just accept that. And we should also create the view. And move app and player into that package. All right, we have something to fix here. Play game. So we probably need to make this public. Saving all the files, running the application to see that it works. And well, it seems to be working. And basically that's it for the simple restructuring of the dice game into a model view architecture. Putting all of the classes related to the business logic, the rules of the game into the model, and user interface classes into the view.